Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making 2 DIY Christmas countdown calendar things. It's not really a calendar, but 2 ways you can count down to the Christmas holiday. I'm doing this actually totally with things I already had at home. I did not go out and buy anything, so hopefully it's the same for you guys. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm thinking of making is like a chain link countdown. So my plan is to use these green and red strips of construction paper. I just used 2 sheets of construction paper for each color and then cut each sheet into 6 strips. So I had a total of 24 days till Christmas. Officially it is December 1st, so we are making this on the first possible day. And then I'm basically just gonna turn these into chains. I'm not sure, we'll see what happens, and then attach it to something or other. Once again, we'll figure it out when we get there. And then I also have just some cardstock paper and a bunch of different colors, and I actually have this leftover picture frame, just like the backing, and I actually have this from forever ago when I did that, actually my first ever video, the apartment decor that I made, and I used the frame to hang the keys. So this is just the backing of the frame that I still have sitting around because I was like, I'll use this for something else. So I think my plan for this is to cut maybe some squares of the cardstock and then like make numbers and use the clothespins to like stick the numbers on, and like you can change the numbers every day to like show how many days till Christmas. I don't know, everything right now is an idea and we're gonna see what happens. Alright, let's start with the picture frame countdown. So first what I'm gonna do is pick a color. I think I can't decide if I want red or green or something totally different. But I think I'm gonna do green. No, wait. I think I might do red with green, like for the numbers. I don't know. Okay, I decided on the red. So all I'm gonna do is trace out the cardstock about the size of the picture frame, and then I'm just gonna not even glue it, tape it onto the picture frame. So I fold the tape over kind of into like a little ball. I don't know if you can see. I just fold it onto itself, and then I'm just gonna stick it in each corner of the paper and stick it on the frame. Alright, there we go. I have my backing on the picture frame, just with the tape. It's not perfect, but it doesn't need to be. So I think what I'm going to do now is use this light green paper and just cut out 2-ish rectangles. Really, I'm not measuring anything. I'm just hoping for the best, which is probably a bad idea, but well, it's fine. I guess if I really want to make sure it's even, maybe I should like fold the paper. Well, that works. Just gonna fold the paper and cut it where the line is to make sure the squares are somewhat even. Oh, if only I could cut on the actual line. Well, there's 2 uneven square things. Wait, I just realized I'm gonna need multiple squares. Alright, we're gonna keep cutting, because you'll want squares for all the days. Okay, this is not even anymore. Alright, I'm just gonna start numbering them. So I have a bunch of markers here. I just got these glitter markers. I might try those. Let's try it out. Okay, so for the numbers, what you're just gonna want to do is write the numbers with whatever marker, pen, paint you choose. I use these glitter pens I got from the store and they actually worked out really well. I really like how they look. What you're gonna want to do is just write the numbers on your paper. You're gonna want some sheets of paper that say 0, 1, and then 2 for the first digit of the countdown, and then numbers 0 through 9 for the second digit of the countdown. As you can see, I just wrote my numbers on both sides of the paper so that I wouldn't have to cut as many squares out, and as you can also see, they are definitely not even. Next, I am just going to write days until Christmas on my piece of paper on the picture frame, and now that I'm looking at it, I realized I probably should have written that on the paper before I put it on the picture frame, but you live and you learn, guys, so there's a tip for you. Okay, so my days until Christmas sign is all ready to go. I am just going to take the numbers, clothespin them in, and there we have it. So what I love about this is it's on the back of a picture frame, so there's a hook already to hang it, or I can just open up the back and let it stand somewhere. And since it's the clothespins, it's super easy to change out the numbers. Nice little countdown for Christmas. So the chain link is next. I'm gonna alternate the colors, I think. Wow, these are so not even. Well, oh well. Makes it fun, right? Alright, so I have a sheet of white cardstock paper. I'm sure you could use computer paper. I just think this might be a little thicker for what I want to hold up all the chains. So I think what I'm gonna do is cut the paper a little bit shorter than it already is, because I really just need to write days until Christmas on it, and then probably 2 little slits on the bottom to hold the countdown days. And what I'm kind of thinking doing is, so I'm gonna cut 2 slits and run the first chain through it, and then kind of alternate days left until Christmas, and then go about it that way. We'll see. I've got my 2 piles of paper. I alternated colors. So I have 12 strips in each pile. And then I use my box cutter to cut out little slits in the paper. Sorry, I didn't film that because I was too terrified of cutting my hand open, so I didn't want any distractions because I'm pretty clumsy. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, but I'm not really sure because I'm still trying to figure it out, is alternate colors, but alternate numbers so they're on different sides. So like, it goes like 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6 days. Like, so that way I kind of have like equal chains on each side. I know you're supposed to like do one long thing, but I don't have space to hang this up to get 24 days. So, like in a row. So, we're just gonna do it this way. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start chaining the pieces of paper together through my slits and then through each other. I don't think this is the best way to do the countdown, but like I said, I just couldn't do them all in one long 24 circle chain because, well, it's a little too long. So I'm doing it this way. Okay, I have all my chain links done and I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I made these crafts completely from stuff I already had in my apartment. You obviously can go out and buy this stuff though if you want. It's super cheap. I just wanted something to help get me in the Christmas spirit now that it is officially December 1st, which I'm so excited about. And now I can just keep track of how many days until Santa is coming because I cannot wait for Christmas time. enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if you made these and how excited you are for Christmas too. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye!